Good afternoon and welcome to another Hits Family Adventure. We're back out at Six Flags over Texas because we weren't going to come until next Thursday until the opening day of Tormenta, but we saw on Facebook that they are having pass holder previews today for Tormenta. They said it's going to be intermittent, so hopefully we get to get on. So let's go. Man, look at this new area. This is awesome. Look at this new area. It's awesome. Look, there's Tormenta. Rampaging run. Hey, go ahead and Tormenta. Here we go. Man, this is gonna be awesome riding this today. Look where the old Conquistador used to be. Oh God, this is gonna be so awesome. Yeah, it's kind of a long line, but hopefully it goes by pretty fast.
I'm flexing on my story. Tengo nervios.
Hey, y'all ready to ride this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you scared?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
And I'm wearing an appropriate t-shirt today. So I am. It says, it's me, it's Melody, it's our other daughter Megan, and then Rebecca and our grandbaby Paisley are out there riding some other rides. Oh, this is gonna be exciting. This is gonna be exciting. So what they did is they put some misters in here, which is awesome because it is hot out here today, but with these misters in here makes it feel so good. No. There's the queue. It looks good up here. But right now, they're not letting you pick your what seat, but that's okay. We're about to ride Tormenta. Hey girls, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, you nervous? Yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We've been waiting over a year for this. Let's go. Here we go, baby. Here we go. It's freaking amazing, man. It was the best ride here. That's probably gonna be in my top 5 of all the roller coasters I've ridden.
That was one of the best things I've ever rode.
That was amazing.
I lost my voice.
Say, all right, we're leaving. We ended up getting 2 rides on Tormenta. We rode in the back, we rode in the front, The front is awesome. That's where to ride. The back, I rode on the outside seat and it was shaking. So it has a shake to it, but it was still fun. And when we rode up front, I rode on the outside and it was a lot smoother. But man, this sucker is a beast. Best ride in the park. Probably the best ride in Texas right now. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah.
You enjoyed it?
Yep.
Yep. It was amazing, wasn't it? Pepe, did you have fun? Yeah? Mama, did you have fun? Yeah. Tormenta. Tormenta. That's amazing. Well, we're gonna let it go right here. If you, well, you know, we appreciate it if you made it this far. Short video. We were only here for a little bit, but if you like what you see, let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified of our next adventure. Until next time.